Welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back to our channel.
We've got Gracie here with me today to film her first ever YouTube tutorial for my channel. You want to say hi?
Hi.
Alright, so first, Gracie, what's the first step of makeup?
Primer.
This is going to be my little model today, and today I'm just going to do a basic look on her. And we're going to start out with
Primer. Put it on your hands and then it's a little bit what you do, you put primer on first. And what's the next one?
Now we're going to go in with some foundation. Today I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation.
Where's this go?
Where does foundation go, Gracie?
On the cheeks. Done?
What's the next step, Gracie?
Okay.
Okay.
Look at that glitter.
Okay, today I'm going in with this shade here for Gracie, with just a little bit of this one mixed in and maybe some of that as well. We're just going to go with a basic all over the lid look. I just think that it's a bit easier when you've only got small eyelids like this.
It's too funny. I'm gonna be pretty yet. Nearly done.
Now we're going to go in with a little bit of concealer.
What is it for?
Under the eye. This just takes out all the dark circles under your eyes. Not that you really have any, because she's a kid. But we're just going to go under the eyes, a little bit on the nose, up here, and a little bit on the chin, and Cupid's bow. And I'm just going to blend it out to give her a little bit of highlight.
Going crazy.
Okay, now we're going to go in and do a little bit of contour, and we're going to use Park Ave Princess by Tarte. And now we're going to go in and pop a little bit of blush on her cheeks. Today I'm using the Morphe 8C Cool Toned Blush Palette.
Yeah.
And
so we're doing it because of my makeup. Oh, pink.
now we're going to go in with a bit of Jeffree Star highlighter in shade Neffree.
Jeffree Star got makeup.
He's awesome, isn't he?
Yeah. Now you got a style.
Now I'm going to go in with some Australis pressed powder in shade Natural.
Yeah,
and we're just going to pop it all over your face.
Do you like me, guys? Setting spray.
We forgot the mascara. Oops. Let's do some mascara, babe.
Okay. Okay, show your friends.
And that, guys, is the finished look for Gracie. Now, bear in mind that Gracie chose all her colours today. She chose the pink eyeshadow and the coloured lip. She chose her coloured highlighter everything is pink because
Look at pink.
just like her mummy.
Bye! Bye guys! See you in the next